Hi there, my name is Daniel Walter Scott and I'm an Adobe Certified Instructor. And in this course, you and me are going to learn how to make beautiful videos together using Adobe Premiere Pro. This course is aimed at people new to Premiere Pro. No previous video editing experience is needed. It's also for those of you, you know who are self-taught, who open the program reluctantly, hack away at it, swear a lot. This course is for you too. We do start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step, but we do cover a lot of ground in this course. You'll come out the other side with, you'll be pretty confident taking on a real wide range of video editing work. During the course, you'll work through real-world projects like editing an interview, a wedding video, a short commercial and documentary, social media advertising videos, YouTube how-to videos with talking head footage mixed with screencasts and voiceovers. You'll learn how to work with text, animation, and motion graphics. We'll make special effects, add music. We'll take your still images and make them feel like real video. You'll learn how to do color correction, color grading, and lots of video transitions, plus all the technical bits too, like HD versus 4K and frames per second, all the way through to exporting. You'll learn how to balance and sync your audio, fix bad audio like removing echo and background noises, plus loads more, including things like shortcuts and tips and tricks. On top of the class projects that we do together, there are practice assignments, like little mini projects that you get to do to practice your skills, but also build videos for your portfolio. Enroll now if you are ready to upgrade yourself and finally learn how to make beautiful videos in Premiere Pro.